How's it going, everyone? This is Cal Speed. I got this '05 Chevrolet in here. The heater hose basically broke off here. It's super brittle, so we're going to replace that fitting right there. What you're going to need is one of these, and it's super simple. All you really need for really any job is the right tool, right? So grab this, back in here, up and over, push it in, and just give it a little tug. There you go. So you can see how that tool releases those clips there, and yeah, just comes right off. Then you can go ahead and grab the end off of here, and we'll put in the new part. Which is right here. And that one just, we'll just clamp that on there.